Hey everyone, welcome to this week's tip. So today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about RSS feeds. So let's start with what is an RSS feed. So if you're using WordPress, essentially what you want to do is just type your web address and then /feed/, and this will show you your RSS feed. This is a really cool thing because it shows all of your latest blog posts. So what you can see here is the recent blog post that I put up, 50 tips to grow your side business. So then it goes down, then you've got the next ones, understanding your target market, part 3, part 4, so on and so forth. So it essentially gets updated every time a new blog post comes out. So how does that benefit me? Well, once a new blog post comes out, what do I have to do? I have to share it on all my social media channels. So here's the really exciting thing. And you can do this in Hootsuite. I don't think Buffer has it, but there's most, especially paid ones, social media marketing schedulers will have this feature. So I use Social Pilot. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. And what you wanna do is go down to content and feed. So I already actually have this, but in your case, you're just gonna hit manage, add feed, and it'll take you to this edit screen. So you add in your nickname, so for mine it's EGM, and then the URL, again, your website, and then this little feed afterwards. Now, let's say you wanted to do your feed only based on certain categories. So what you can do there is, I'll show you a neat little trick. You can get the feed just for the category. So you'll see here's my web address, and then /category, and then / the name of the category. And then what I can do is same situation. If I type feed after it, bam, I've only got blog posts that are in that specific category. So for example, let's say you have daily quotes that go out and you only want those to be shared on social media. You can do category and /, assuming the name of this quote, and then feed, and then use this to link up to your social media. Now you have two different options. You can have it go out as just an image, or you can have it go out as text. I have it go out as text, so you get the link straight to the post. And then you can decide, I have it go out every 6 hours because I sometimes do more than one post per day. And same situation, since I have more than one post a day, I make sure that it checks out if there's more than one post. And then you can decide different hashtags, and it'll pick 2 randomly. So like I have business websites and mindset, like those are my 3 primary hashtags and keywords that I'm working on right now. So anytime a post goes out, it will randomly pick these. And then I can select which accounts it goes out. So for me, it goes on my fan page for EGM, my Twitter for EGM, my Instagram, my Techie Girl fan page, my Twitter fan page, I'm sorry, my Techie Girl Twitter page, my Web Design School fan page, my Web Design School Twitter, and Pinterest. So it automatically goes out like within 24 hours, essentially. Essentially what happens is every 6 hours, it's gonna check to see if there's new content, and then it's gonna schedule the post based on the optimal times for them to go out. And of course, you wanna just hit submit at the end. And then I don't think that there are any posts right now available. Yeah. There's no posts right now. They're going to be coming in within the next 6 hours, however. So that's a really easy way for me to do this. Now you can also use your RSS feed to set up a weekly email that goes out. So I don't, because I like to write a little custom note in my weekly emails, as you guys know. Letting you know what's going on, new stuff that I have for you. But essentially what you can do is, if you wanted to, I'm going to show you how to do it in MailerLite. Just set up an RSS campaign. Actually, I'm going to go straight to my real feed. It's going to check my feed, and you want to look it up. It's going to tell you if it's green, you're good to go. And then you can say, this week's amazing tips for you. And then I'm going to go into the settings. So you can have it go out every day. You can have it go out once a week. You can set the time that it's supposed to go out. 8 a.m. You can only show new posts. You can send a confirmation email to yourself. And then it'll show the content. And this is where you can kind of play around a little bit. So they have different templates just for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. This looks kind of cool. So we're gonna go ahead and use this template. And here you go, it shows you what it's gonna look like when they come out. And you can edit the number of items to show. So I can have it show even more. You can obviously, like I showed you before, you can edit this part. You can use the drag and drop to add images, so on and so forth, and design it a little bit, but this will pull everything out. You can also tell it what to display. So if you don't want it to do the category, the date, the author, you can add a read more link. You can change colors, whatever you like. You can do whatever you like. I don't even know what song it's for, but it gets stuck in my head all the time. So then you want to go ahead and just click save. You can click done, and then just like before when we were setting up, I showed you on MailerLite a couple weeks ago, showed you how to set this up on MailerLite. You want to tell it who to go to. So I'm going to have it go to EGM since I'm the only one on there. And then just review and confirm. And bam, you're good to go. I can send a test email, schedule it, send, and my newsletters are taken care of. Now, this is really good for you. For example, if you know you're going to be on vacation for a month or something like that, and you don't have time to sit down and write and schedule and get all your campaigns done, but you already have your blog post scheduled, bam, it's already taken care of for you. This is a really, really easy way to automate your business, especially if you're a blogger and you're working, like your blog is your side business and you're working a 9 to 5. This is a really, really easy way to automate things for you. Let's see if we got the test email. Yep, here it is. So I can see exactly what they're gonna get. So it's a really easy way to kind of take advantage of this little RSS feed to automate almost everything. So literally all I have to do is schedule my blog post and it goes out on social media. In theory, it can go out on to my mailing list to everyone. And literally all I had to do was publish a blog post. So super, super easy, such an easy way to automate your business and really, really helps. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. All right, everyone, see you later. Bye.